Hi, my name is Rachel Nolan. This is my introduction video for EDL 850, School of Law. So a little bit about me. I am a high school science teacher. I formerly taught middle school science for 6 years. I'm located in Denver, Colorado. I have 7 years of teaching experience, so going into next year, this will be my 8th year of teaching, 2nd year of teaching high school. Some things I do at school. I used to be the Science Olympiad coach when I was in middle school. I've done a few student trips. I used to lead a trip to Yosemite when I was located in California. I took a student group to Japan as a part of an exchange program. Now, this next year, I'm going to be the sponsor for our NHS at our high school. And then next summer, I get to lead a student trip to Costa Rica and Panama, which is really exciting. I enjoy traveling. I like hiking with my boyfriend and my dog. I included some pictures, one of me at an elementary school in Japan, and then one of me at Yosemite. So my current administration, I'm still learning about because I only switched schools at the beginning of last year. So I'm still learning about my administration and how the school runs. But my initial takeaways are that my school does seem to adhere very well to special education laws, a lot better than my last school. So I've seen IEPs being followed really faithfully by teachers and by administrators. There are annual meetings for every IEP, and then when they give teachers documents with student information on them, we do have to lock them up, and then at the end of the year, we have to turn them back in to be shredded. So they do a good job of protecting student information. They also do a good job of keeping religion out of our school. I live in a fairly religious community, and although we have a FCA, the Fellowship of Christian Athletes, that is a club that it meets outside of school, and so they do a pretty good job of keeping religion out of our schools. And then I do think that laws around student transportation and field trips might be a little ignored. Again, I'm not an expert and I really don't know what the laws are, but I've seen teachers run field trips where the students, because they're in high school, are allowed to drive themselves or drive other students or carpool to the field trip location. And I'm not sure what the rules are around that, but it seems a little off to me. A critique of my personal knowledge. I'm still learning a lot more. I've taken a couple classes in this program already, so I took the special education one and the building finance. So I feel fairly proficient on those things. I've also done a lot of reading about my school board policies for other classes, and so I feel like I know what the school board wants to do, but I still need to learn about managing staff, internet and technology laws, and I'd really just like to be more proficient all around. I plan to improve my current knowledge. This class, obviously, this is going to help me a lot with school law. I want to read more into the board policy. Although I've read a lot of the board policies, there's a lot, so there's still more for me to read up on. Definitely to attend board meetings and get involved more. And then as part of this program, I have to do so many activities, and so my principal has offered to take me along to certain meetings. So I think that'll be a really good way to improve my knowledge too. So I'm really excited to get started. I work with people who have done this program and say that this one is one of their favorite classes, that it's really informative. My principal said she loved learning about school law, so I'm really excited to get started and to keep learning more. Thank you.